Hey everybody, listen up, I have an announcement. The yearbook assembly, where we dedicate it and give it out, is in 3 days.
3 days? We still have to pick up the yearbook. Come on, let's go. We're here for the yearbook.
Just a minute. Let me check on some things here. Unfortunately, we're unable to give you your yearbook at this time. It appears as though you guys missed your second deadline.
That can't be right. Check again.
Yeah, unfortunately, it does also appear that missing the deadline does result in a year delay in the book.
We can't get the book for a full year?
Yes, unfortunately, full year.
We don't have the book.
What do you mean you don't have the book?
They didn't give it to us because we missed a deadline.
Oh.
So what happened?
We couldn't get the book because we missed a deadline.
We can't get the book because we missed a deadline? That can't be right. We gotta go talk to him again.
We could just watch them.
What?
While we were there, I put one of our cameras in the library.
Why would we? Never mind.
Billy, listen, we can't just give this up. This is the best cover I ever made. I haven't had time to grab a copy.
I know. We won't give him a copy, obviously, until it's made, man, but come on, a year delay? Holy cow. I gave him this excuse, it was because of the deadlines, which obviously isn't true.
Oh yeah, they're just high school kids.
They're keeping it from us because they really like how it looks?
Yeah.
I know the book's awesome, but that really doesn't make any sense.
What now?
I guess we need to report them to the police.
Wait, I have an idea. We'll steal it.
I didn't hear anything.
So how are we stealing it? We need to gather a team. The brains will go in and find all the cameras in the building. They'll take the tour and write a blueprint to the building.
We're here for the tour.
After we get all the information we need, the editors will create fake security cards. After they are created, the bronze will go in.
Hey!
While this is happening, I'll be getting ready. One more thing, I need a screwdriver. Perfect! Hey, is this Matt Crafton? This is Tulare Union Argus. I understand you're a graduate from this school. We need your help. We're gonna need a car. A fast car.
gotta go.
Oh. Again?
It's easier to see in retrospect what I could have done to help. We only get one life to get it right. We only get one life to live. Now you can't keep this on night after night.